Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have media imported. Now start removing the background. Duplicate your clip and place the copy above the new background. With the top clip selected, open the effect controls and use the opacity pen to draw a tight mask around the subject. Stop there, don't try to perfect it yet. Once done, set mask feather to 1040px depending on footage and enable mask path so you can track motion next. This establishes the working cutout you will refine. Now refine motion and edges. Hit track selected mask forward and backward so Premiere auto-follows the subject. Watch for frames where the mask drifts. When it does, pause and manually add mask path keyframes to correct shape. This preserves hair and limbs. Then tweak mask feather and mask expansion to soften or tighten edges. Meanwhile, apply Lumetri color to the top clip to match color temperature, contrast, and shadows to the background. Make sure to toggle playback often so color and masks stay believable. Finish by blending edges and checking motion. Add a tiny Gaussian blur to the background or a 0.53px blur to the subject edges to reduce harsh lines, then render a preview to inspect fast motion and fine details. If you see flicker, holes, or jitter, return to mask path keyframes and refine them, increase feather slightly, or add small corrective masks on problem areas. One key troubleshooting tip. If tracking fails, step backward frame by frame. Correct the mask there, then retract from that point to regain accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.